Hello friends, welcome to H2 Zone Solution and Production. Now we are going to discuss setting options. First we are going to click on general options. In general options, first option is H2 Zone site title. When we goes to our site front page, you can see that our title is H2 Zone and you can see that we have tagline just another WordPress site. We can also change it to H2 Zone 2 and just another WordPress site too, and click on save changes and now refresh this page. Now you can see that H2 Zone 2 and just another WordPress site too. You can set any title of your website and you can also change tagline anytime you want. Okay, now we are going to discuss this very important options. When we install WordPress on local machines, then our path is like local host, and if you have any port then it will also concatenate your port, and after that your project name. In my case, I had installed WordPress and I set the project name as H2 Zone, so that's why my website project name is H2 Zone. And what is difference between these two paths? One is for your media folders path, one is for your site path. When we will upload this site, just change these localhost /nt1 with your domains. If you have abc.com domain, then you will just type http:/abc.com/h2zone if you have h2 zone folder in your hosting server. If you will upload all your site in www folder, then no need to add this h2 zone. In other words, you will just enter your uploaded site URL in both fields. Okay, email address is your company email address. It can be any address which you want. What about membership? If you want that anyone can register on your site, then you can check these options. Otherwise anyone can't able to register on your site. These options related to these options. If user want to register, then what is default role for this user? You can set any user. If you want an administrator, then you can set administrator. If user will make his or her account, then it will make as administrator. If you will set administrator options. Time zone is related to your country, and you can also set any date format, time format, and set weekend start on. This option is mostly used for different plugins. If you will add any reporting plugins or any calendar or scheduler plugin, then it will know that your weekend will start from Monday. You can also change any language which you want. Okay, now go to writing options. In writing options, if you are going to add any post, then what should be the default category of your post? In my case, I already add this category in previous tutorials, so I can also set these options. And also, if you are going to add post related to audio, then you can set this audio. Otherwise you can set videos, but in mostly case we have a standard post which has everything in our post. Okay, post via email is another utility which is very helpful for your blog. If you want to publish any post with the help of email, then just type your mail server configuration in this form and send email to this mail server. Then your post will automatically publish on your blog or your website. Okay, now goes to reading section. In reading section, front page display options. Currently when we goes to our front page, home page, then you can see that our blog page is showing. Blog page has all our posts. If you want to show simple page as your home page, then change to a static page and click as sample page and click on save changes. Now refresh this page. Now you can see that our home page is our simple page. What about post page? In previously we set our blog page as a home page. If you want to make a different page name as blog, then go to pages sections and make a new page as blog and set it as post page. Then when you go to your blog page blog page, then you will see all your posts there. Okay, now it's related to our blog page. How many posts you want to show on your blog page? How many posts you want to show on your feed section? What is feed sections? Every WordPress blog or page has their own feed page. Just go to home page and click on entire RSS page. It will show all your posts on this page. You can also set how many items you want to show it on this page. Next is full each article in feed, full text or summary. If you want to show all your post content, then you should set full text. Otherwise, if you want to display some text with readme options, then you should select summary options. Search engine visibility, this option already discussed. If you want to private your blog or page, then select this option. Otherwise, uncheck these options if you want to public your blog or site. In discussion section, we can set settings related to our commits. We can set that can people post comment on our new articles, can anyone post on commits, how many days require of closing any commit, and there are many other options. You can see these options. It's very helpful. If you want to block any word in comments, then you can type in this section, and you can set pictures or avatar for those users who comments on your blog. If you want to random pictures, then you can select any one of these generated options. It will randomly generate a picture for those people who will comment on your blog. After that, just click on save button and go to any post. Like in hello world, we have comments section. Just type any comments, hello, and type comment, and now you can see that it's display with avatars. We can hide this avatar. Now you can see that avatar is hide. Now I will show avatar again. And now I am type again comment as goodbye. Now you can see that our avatar is displaying on front end. This avatar will change for every user if you will select option from these 5 radio box, because this generated will automatically generate picture for new user. Okay, now go to media sections. This media section is related to your image. When you upload any image in post or page or direct from this media sections, then WordPress automatically generate 3 images. One is thumbnail, other is mid size, and last is large size, which is original size. And you can change any size which you want for large, medium and thumbnail. And always check these options. It will automatically handle their name with the help of month and year.